Chrysler invented the minivan segment and has continued to tweak the formula ever since. The Pacifica's Stow-Go seats disappear into the floor, there's an available built-in vacuum, and you can hang your grocery bags on the back of the seats. Then there are the standard minivan advantages: sliding doors with wide openings, 3 rows of seats for up to 8 passengers, and car-like handling. Chrysler offers the Pacifica with a 287 horsepower V6 engine as well as a 260 horsepower plug-in hybrid that trades some power for efficiency. Chrysler streamlines the Pacifica menu for 2025, reducing the lineup from 5 to 3 trim levels: Select, Limited, and Pinnacle. Limited models are gas-only, while the other 2 trims offer a choice of gas or hybrid powertrain. The Pacifica's updated base model now comes standard with a universal garage door opener, premium carpets, an auto-dimming rearview mirror, and second-row one-touch windows. The S-Appearance package, dark exterior trim, badges and wheels, black upholstery with grey stitching, is now standard on the limited model and available as part of the premium group on hybrid select models. The rest of the premium group's contents include the safety sphere group, parking sensors, park assist, 360-degree camera system, the Uconnect theater and sound group, rear entertainment, an integrated center console with wireless smartphone charging, and a dual-pane sunroof. The new Select model offers the best mix of features and value. Standard items include a heated steering wheel, synthetic leather upholstery, heated front seats, second-row sunshades, and 17-inch wheels. In gas-only guise, the Pacifica packs a 287 horsepower 3.6-liter V6 and a 9-speed automatic transmission under its hood. The Pacifica hybrid makes less total horsepower, only 260 ponies, from its 3.6-liter V6 and 2 electric motors, which are backed by a 16.0 kWh lithium-ion battery pack. You can't get all-wheel drive on the Pacifica hybrid though, it comes in front drive only. The maximum towing capacity for the Chrysler Pacifica is 3,600 pounds. Airy, spacious, and packed with cubbies, cup holders, slide-out bins and connectivity, the Pacifica is big on the features that minivan buyers love. Fit, finish and materials are all decent, but a few downmarket plastic pieces lurk inside the cabin. Upscale Limited and Pinnacle models come with taller center consoles that blend more seamlessly with the dashboard, giving those trims a more SUV-like feel from behind the wheel. The fancy Pinnacle model comes with quilted leather upholstery and even offers matching lumbar pillows for the second-row captain's chairs, a feature we haven't seen since the last time the ultra-luxurious Mercedes-Maybach S-Class visited our office. Because the Pacifica's standard Stow-Go seats need to be compact enough to fold into the van's floor, they have thinner padding than you'll find in rival vans. Chrysler's Uconnect 5 infotainment system displays on a glossy 10.1-inch touchscreen that's framed by climate control vents on the van's dashboard. Uconnect 5 offers a reconfigurable home screen and Amazon Alexa integration. It has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, which can be connected wirelessly, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. An optional rear seat entertainment system provides dual touchscreens to keep the kids placated and can be had with Amazon Fire TV, which provides access to movies and TV via embedded streaming apps. Up to 12 USB ports dot the Pacifica's cabin, including some that are the USB-C type, which offer quicker charging speeds for smart devices.